Hello from Lessons in Grass. As you can see, we have snowy and freezing winter even here in Prague. So it's time for some winter explorations. And today we are going to experiment with freezing bubbles. So what do we need? First of all, and obviously, we need the right weather. The ideal temperature would be around -5 degrees Celsius or 23 degrees Fahrenheit. And of course, the colder, the better. The faster the bubbles will freeze. And what is even more important is the wind, because even gentle wind can destroy the bubbles. So find some sheltered area, sheltered place, or even better, pick a day with no wind, and you'll be more successful. Another thing is the right surface. We need flat and smooth surface. That is the ideal. So look around. If you see a bench or a tree stump or a small wall or something like that, and if you don't have an appropriate surface around your school or home, you can always take out this baking tray. It has nice, smooth, flat surface. And if you let it sit outside for a while so that it gets really cold, then the bubbles will freeze faster on it. Or a windowsill works fine as well. So that's the surface. Another important thing is the bubble solution, of course. We used ordinary bubble blower and it worked. If you want to make the bubbles more solid and durable, try to add 2 spoons of sugar into the bubble solution and you'll see the difference. And of course, you can find your own bubble solution recipe online. I'm sure there are a lot of available. And if you're interested, we picked our favorite bubble solution recipe and you can find it right below the video, so you can have a look. And our last recommendation is the time when you set out for the bubbles, because the light is very, very important. The morning sun is ideal because it shines through the bubbles and you can see the crystallization. The backlight makes the crystallization really nicely visible. If you choose a cloudy day and you don't have another source of light, such as a headlamp or something like that, the bubble will get cloudy and then it bursts and you won't see the growing crystals on it. So it's really well worth waiting for the sun. Or use a torch or a headlamp and shine through the bubble so that you can see it. And these are the most important things we wanted to share with you in order to be successful with freezing bubbles. And last but not least, be patient and be prepared that it might not work out on the first attempt. It took us 3 days before we saw the freezing bubbles and the crystals on it. So be patient, work with mistake, and make improvements for the next time, because making mistakes and testing leads to discovery, and that is an important part of learning process. So be patient, good luck with the bubbles, and enjoy the winter. Bye!